are behind each of the 6 hinges. Hinges are your pressure points on the door, and placing them behind the hinges will give the door rigidity. So let's do that now. Install one of these. All right, this is the last of the 6 brackets in place. Let's get the screw in here. And now we're ready to prep the opening for the door. First, draw a plumb line about 1/2 inch on one of the sides of the door frame. It doesn't matter which side. Here we're using a 6-foot level to keep the line straight. If you don't have a 6-foot level, a 4-foot level is going to work just fine. Before you place the door into the opening, you want to make sure that we use 1/2-inch blocks under the door frame if we're going to be laying carpet, or 1/4-inch blocks if we're using vinyl or laminate. You never want to place the door jambs directly on the floor unless it's a finished floor. You're now ready to put the door into the opening. Line up the first bracket on the level line side. Now, using one of the 3 notches of the bracket, screw in that bracket with one of the notches lined up with the level line. Use the same notch with the next 2 brackets on the level line side, and your door is perfectly level on this side. When you're fastening the final 3 brackets, be sure you check the reveal of the door on the top and between the doors. And once the top reveals are the same, screw in the top bracket only. When the middle reveal is determined, now you can secure these other 2 brackets. But be sure that you keep this reveal between the 2 doors the same as you move down and fasten those other 2 brackets. You may find you need to tweak the jamb a little. The brackets are designed so that all you need to do is reverse the screw enough to move the bracket in or out based on what you need to adjust the door properly. Once in place, simply retighten the screw for a perfectly installed door. We recommend removing the center hinge screw from the hinges and replacing them with a long set screw for added support. If you're placing the door on a finished floor, you may need to trim the bottom of one side of the door jamb for floor levelness. And that's all there is to it. This door is hung perfectly level in a matter of minutes. Another great thing about this bracket is that it allows you to put your trim directly over it. Check this out.